Hi, I'm Landon Witt, realtor in Oklahoma City. Here is your April market report for Central Oklahoma. Got two categories here on the screen we're going to get into. This is last year and this year. We're going to go through the categories for all price ranges. This first category being all homes sold. Now, excuse me, we're doing this report with just myself. A lot of the staff staying home today, so I'm going to be switching cameras here. Let's get over to the zoomed in camera. Here we go. So total closed sales changing 21% for Oklahoma City. So this is last year. Let's try to get this out of the way. Last year, Oklahoma City coming in at, this past month, April, 21% down. That's right on par with national averages of 20% reduction in overall closed sales. Northwest Oklahoma City, this is if we do the crosshairs on Oklahoma City, this is that northwest corner, down 13%. Yukon, up 7.6%. Edmond, down 7.8%. I want to get into the price range categories. From 90,000 to 130,000, look at this change, down 38%, down 40%, down 54%, up 30% in the Edmond market for 90,000 to 130,000. 130 to 250, our favorite price point, down 17% total closed volume, down 5% total closed volume for Northwest Oklahoma City. Yukon, up 3.4%. Edmond, down 21.3%. That 300 to 500 range, let's watch some things start to change here. Down 17% on total closed volume, down 12%, up 50% in Yukon, down 15% in that 300 to 500 range. These are a lot of deals that were under contract in in March, and that closed in April, okay? Up 5% in the 525 range in Edmond, Yukon down 50%. Up 16% closings in the 525 and higher, down 30% in Oklahoma City as a whole. Okay, there we go. All right, so I think the important thing to note is, again, a lot of these sales, when we talk about closed sales, that takes 30 days to close. That's stuff that went under contract in March when the interest rates were super, super low. Well, let's talk about new listings coming on the market. That's new listings coming on right now. This will show you where we're going to look like in the month of May and into that June, okay? The month of May, starting today, we're going to have 108 listings coming on the market in the 190 to 129. I'm going to go to all price ranges so we can kind of look at the in general. Number of new listings, down 15% in Oklahoma City, down 11% in Northwest Oklahoma City, up 10% in Yukon, up 0.7% in Edmond. Almost no change in Edmond on the listings until we get to the 525 category or more. This is the jumbo loan category. Let's take a look at that. Up 1.8% new listings in Edmond, up 5.7% in Northwest Oklahoma City, and up 5.4%. Looking at our month's supply of inventory, there we go. This is where we're seeing big changes. This means the amount of homes that are on the market. If no homes came on the market, how long would it take to sell the remaining homes? This is in that 525 or more category. $525,000 or more, that's the jumbo loan category. I think it's 547 now, but 48%, up 48% supply of inventory since last year in Oklahoma City. That's substantial. This one's the big one. Northwest Oklahoma City, we are up 62.5% supply of inventory. The supply is 62% higher than it was this time last year for homes priced 525 and higher. Up 134% in Yukon, same category. Up 20% in Edmond in that 525 or more category. Anytime we're over, like this is 11.7, I'm going to get into the detail so you can see that. Right here, 11.7 months is supply of inventory. 6 months is our basis. Right here you see 6 months in Edmond. Anything less than 6 is a seller's market, or a seller's market. okay? That means you have very, very little supply. Anything above 6 months, you're now into a buyer's market. That means the buyers have better deal, they can get better deals because there's more supply, okay? Over here, when we're 62% high, if we stay here, we will definitely have a buyer's market, a classic buyer's market for 525 and up in Oklahoma City. If we look at all price ranges, I want to look at that for a minute. This is all price ranges, okay? Month supply of inventory looks like a typical Oklahoma City, growing city supply. We are up though 4% in Edmond in all price ranges, 5% in Yukon, 5% in Northwest Oklahoma City. No change in Oklahoma City as a whole. All of these metrics for all price points on the median are still heavily a seller's market. Now's the time to sell. Still, no change on that. And let's look at our days on market. Days on market, reduction in that. Look at that. 20% drop days on market, 14% drop, and that's because of that supply of inventory just being super, super low. Till we get to that 525, let's look at that. Even going up in the metrics, Northwest Oklahoma City up 52% days on market for listings 525 and up. Okay, let's go to our favorite market, that 130 to 250. 130 to 250 time on market, look at this. 18 days on market last year to sell in Northwest Oklahoma City this time. This year, 8 days on market to sell. 55% reduction in time on market exposure time for homes priced 130 to 250. That's our golden metric right there for Oklahoma City. I'm going to go to all price ranges and we're going to look at that sales price numbers. This is your median sales price for Oklahoma City, or for Central Oklahoma. Up 10.8% for Oklahoma City. 10% higher than where we were selling last year. Northwest Oklahoma City's up 16% from where it was last year on the median. Okay, 155, we're now at 179 median purchase price. 171, 194, okay? Up just 1.7% in Yukon and up 2% just at 5,000 in Edmond. A lot of this has to do with the interest rates being lower and buyers able to touch those higher price points than they have been able to do before. So we'll check into that. But that's your quick snapshot for the market of April. You need more information or more detailed questions, or there's something I didn't cover, send me an email at Landon, L-A-N-D-O-N, Landon at OKCREAL.com. That's Landon at OKCReal.com. Thanks for watching.
For more information and to listen or watch online, visit OKCRealEstateShow.com.